Hello, if you've recently discovered you've got a Dynalite system and you need the software because you no longer have it, you might have a config file, you might not, and you just need to change some settings, then follow through. So you can learn more about Philips Dynalite through their official website. You can read up on their documents and documentation, and you can see that System Builder can be downloaded for free. If you're an integrator, you can get it through their backend, but otherwise, if you still need a copy, you can download it off archive.org. Just as a Windows executable, you can download it from there. And then here is one I've prepared earlier. So you just go through the prompts, the usual next kind of dealio. So we'll wait for that to load, go next, I accept. I guess probably should read through it all. Go next, install, and then wait for it to do its thing. Now it's finished, we go finish, and then we just open up System Builder here, and it launches up, and it will give you a default config. If you need to open up an existing file that you might have lying around, you can go File, Open Job File. Otherwise, you can start from scratch. You can import a fair amount of stuff. If you've got an existing system, you would generally go to under Insert, Devices from Network. You can search for the devices, or it might discover them automatically. You'd go, discover. Depends on how you have it plugged in, whether over Ethernet or over a serial cable. As an example, I've got, say here, let me just cut to that, a PDEG here. So on a lot of the devices, you would just click on this button here, and then that puts it into pairing mode, and then it can be discovered by Dynalite for a period of time. So hopefully that helps. Have a crack with the software, see how you go. There's plenty of documentation to learn more about the software.